Biology, Chapter 9 Biomolecules of Class 11. Biomacromolecules, Nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are polymers of nucleotide. A nucleotide has three chemically distinct components: a heterocyclic compound, nitrogenous bases, adenine, guanine, uracil, cytosine, and thymine; a monosaccharide, pentose or 5-carbon sugar ribose or deoxyribose; and a phosphoric acid or phosphate. A nucleic acid containing deoxyribose sugar is called deoxyribonucleic acid (DNA), while that containing ribose sugar is called ribose nucleic acid (RNA). There are more than dozen forms of DNA such as A, B, C, D, E, Z, etc. DNA consists of two polynucleotide strands arranged antiparallelly as a double helix. In DNA, a nucleotide consists of nitrogen base, deoxyribose sugar, phosphate group. Backbone strands of DNA is formed by the sugar-phosphate sugar chain. Steps are formed of nitrogen base pair. Nitrogen bases include adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. Uracil is absent. The nitrogen base of the two strands are held together by hydrogen bonds, forming base pair. Adenine pairs with thymine through 2 hydrogen bonds and guanine with cytosine through 3 hydrogen bonds. In a nucleic acid, the successive nucleotides are linked by a phosphodiester bond, that is, links 3' carbon of the sugar of one nucleotide with a 5' carbon of the sugar of next nucleotide. The bond between the phosphate and hydroxyl group of sugar is an ester bond. As there is one such bond on either side, it is called phosphodiester bond. James Watson and Francis Crick have proposed double helical structure of DNA. Each helix strand of DNA molecule is a polynucleotide chain, polymer of nucleotide. The bond between sugar and nitrogen base is called N-glycosidic bond. The two chains are antiparallel and are coiled in right-handed manner. Among the different types of DNA, in human, it is B type of DNA. The pitch of helix is 3.4 nanometer or 3.4 angstrom. There are 10 base pairs in each turn with a distance of 0.34 nanometer between two base pairs. This form of DNA is called bDNA. At each step, the strand turns 36 degrees, that is 360 degrees for a full turn. The living state. All living organisms exist in a steady state, characterized by constant concentrations of various types of biomolecules or metabolites. For example, blood concentration of glucose in a normal person is 4.2 to 6.1 millimole per liter. Concentration of hormone is nanograms per milliliter. These biomolecules are in a metabolite flux. As living organisms have to work continuously, they cannot afford to reach equilibrium. Hence, the living state in a non-equilibrium steady state to be able to perform work. Living processes is a constant effort to prevent falling into equilibrium. This is achieved by energy input. Metabolism provides a mechanism for the production of energy. Hence, the living state and the metabolism are synonymous. That is, without metabolism, there cannot be a living state. The bond between the phosphate and most of the enzymes are proteins that catalyze the biochemical reaction in living cells, hence are called biocatalysts. Some nucleic acids may also behave like enzymes, for example, ribozymes. Any enzyme like any protein has the secondary and tertiary structure having many surfaces or pockets called active site. An active site of an enzyme is a surface or pocket into which the substrate fits. The enzyme through their active site catalyze reaction at a high rate, while inorganic catalysts work efficiently at high temperatures and high pressure. Most enzymes get damaged at a high temperature above 40 degrees Celsius. However, enzymes isolated from thermophilic organisms. Chemical reaction. The chemical compound undergo two types of changes. Physical. A change in shape without breaking of bond. For example, ice melts into water or water becomes a vapor. Second, chemical reaction. When bonds are broken and new bonds are formed during transformation. For example, inorganic BaOH twice plus H2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus 2H2O. Or organic changes, starch plus H2O gives glucose. The rate of physical or chemical process refers to the amount of product formed per unit time. It is expressed as rate is equal to delta P upon delta T. Biomacromolecules. Nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are polymers of nucleotide. A nucleotide has three chemically distinct components: a heterocyclic compound, nitrogenous bases, adenine, guanine, uracil, cytosine, and thymine; a monosaccharide, pentose or 5-carbon sugar ribose or deoxyribose; and a phosphoric acid or phosphate. A nucleic acid containing deoxyribose sugar is called deoxyribonucleic acid (DNA), while that containing ribose sugar is called ribose nucleic acid (RNA). Nature of enzyme action. It is also called catalytic cycle. Each enzyme has a substrate binding site in its molecule. As a result, a highly reaction enzyme substrate ES complex is formed. This complex is short-lived and dissociate into its products P, an unchanged enzyme, through the formation of an intermediate enzyme product complex EP. The formation of the ES complex is essential for catalysis. E plus S is a reversible process from ES. It produces EP. From that, enzyme and product are dissociated. This pathway goes through some unstable transition state structure. How do enzymes speed up a chemical reaction? Concept of activation energy. The catalytic action of an enzyme can be described as follows. The substrate binds to the active site of the enzyme. The binding of the substrate alters of the shape of enzyme so that the latter fits more tightly around the substrate. The close proximity of the substrate with active site breaks the chemical bond of the substrate to form a new enzyme product complex. The enzyme releases the product of the reaction and the free enzyme is ready to bind to another molecule of the substrate. Activation energy is the additional energy required to start a chemical reaction. In an exothermic or endothermic reaction, the substrate must go through a much higher energy state. It is called transition state energy. Therefore, activation energy is the difference between average energy of substrate and transition state energy. If the product P is at a lower energy level than the substrate as the reaction is an exothermic reaction, it is called spontaneous reaction also. It requires no energy by heating to form the product. In a biochemical reaction, enzymes lower the activation energy. As a result, speed of the reaction increases.